Hey y'all, hey, it's Brittany Britannia718 and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see videos from me. Alrighty, so let's just jump right on into it. Yes, sometimes my locks break off. It doesn't happen often. It doesn't happen like in one area versus another. It just sometimes it happens. And I get the question all the time. Like, everybody's like, oh, you know, because thin hair, it breaks. Does your hair break? Does your hair break? Sometimes it does. It does thin and it does break before, you know, either myself or my loctician is able to catch it and try to repair it. But it is, for me, it's not the end of the world, because a lot of the times I don't even know where it came from. So let me show you what I mean. So there are times where, and I don't know if you guys can see this. There, I have little ends that break off that's small like this. And this happens enough, especially since I've clipped my ends, this happens. But again, I don't really trip about it because I don't know where it's coming from. And then last week I was getting my hair retightened. I was sitting in the car and I'm just like going through my hair and everything. And then I looked and then I saw this bad boy just chilling. I was like, oh shit, where the hell did this one come from? Now, if you see, I'm gonna try to zoom in so you guys can see, but this part is really thin here. And honestly, y'all, I don't even know where this came from. I really don't. Like, I can't even say I'm gonna go searching for it and see where it came from and try to figure out what may have happened. Listen, shit happens. Sometimes you can have an area of your hair that may be a little weaker than others. It could be if maybe somebody is retightening your hair, maybe the rotation was, you know, mixed up or something. I don't know. There are many things that can happen to cause your lock to break. But one thing I can say about myself is that I'm not stressing it out, or stressing about it, I should say. This is the first time that I've lost a lock like this long. Like I said, it's always been like, you know, smaller pieces here and there, but honestly, it's okay. Sometimes my hair breaks off. Sometimes, okay? Not often. It doesn't happen like once a week, once a month, twice a month. It's really very far and few in between where my hair may break off, because sometimes it happens. Sometimes our locks break off for various reasons. But the thing you want to make sure to focus on is if you're having a pattern of your hair falling out a lot. Like, are your locks breaking off in the same area? How many locks are breaking off and how often? Those are key things to pay attention to. So if your hair is breaking off towards the end, then it could be, you know, maybe, like I said, the old hair shedding, things like that. That shit can happen. If it's breaking off from the roots, though, that is something that I think you definitely want to make sure you're focusing on, because, okay, are you retightening or retwisting your hair too often? Are you going in the same pattern? Or are you not going in the same pattern? Because if you don't go in the same direction or the same pattern, it can cause some weakness in the lock. Also, be mindful of like how tight your hair is. Are you doing tight hairstyles, tight ponytails? What are you doing that may be causing that area to get weak and break off? All those are questions that are very valid, and those are questions that, you know, if you do your hair yourself, maybe get somebody else who's a professional to look at your hair, and if you go to a loctician and get your hair done, show them what happened, and maybe they can look out to see where this may have come from. I forgot to even ask Taisha if she saw where this may have broken off from, because honestly, like, I can't tell. So I'm not gonna trip about it, because I knew I did have a lock that was a little weak, and this could be the one that that came off. Because with me, if it's weak, I'll just cut it because it makes no sense hanging on by a thread. I let it go, okay? But this is the longest that I've ever seen, so I'm just like, oh man, I should let y'all know, you know? Craziness, ain't this? But yeah, have any of you guys lost locks, or like a couple or more than just one? Like, talk to me, let me know if you have. Did you guys keep them and reattach them? How did you feel when you lost your locks? Let me know, because I know, like I said, I'm nonchalant as it can be, and I know some people might be freaking out, but I hope y'all don't freak out. But yeah, let me know down below. Also, guys, you know where to find me: Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Well, not really Snapchat, but Instagram and Facebook. Mostly Instagram, if you could find me. My name is somewhere on the screen, and also down below. Be sure to thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're not. Tell your mom and them I said to subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. Later.